Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alam nyo ba? So guys, meron naman tayong bagong video na alamin at itatakit ngayong araw na ito. Ito ay galing kay PH Military Gear. Sabi nga niya dito, Japan expands military security by giving monster ships for free. Wow. Ang tanong, totoo ba to? Pero kung totoo, di ba? Good news yan. Pero yun nga, kung hearsay pa lang, o promise pa lang, masarap sana pakinggan to, di ba? Sarap sa basahin, di ba? Sarap isipin, yun nga, bibigyan tayo ng Japan, ng monster ship, for free. Di ba? Sana magkatotoo nga to. Kung hindi naman, hindi ka nga. Diba? Meron lang naman yan Pag na totoo, good news yan. Pag nga wala ka nga. Hindi pala totoo. Diba? So, ito lang natin yung buhok natin, mga idolo. Masyadong flat na flat. Parang pinalansya Hindi ko na ba't ganyan ang buko ngayon. So yun, panoorin na nga natin itong guys. Parang nakakasabik din talaga Let's go. Ano ba to? Navy ship or ano lang, Coast Guard. Parang Coast Guard
The Japanese government recently announced the official retirement of the patrol ship Shikishima, which has become one of the symbols of maritime security in the Asia-Pacific.
Meron na pala silang i-decommission na patrol ship ng Japan. So sana nga ibigay sa atin yan ng Japan, di ba? Kasi sa atin lahat ng mga decommission tinatanggap natin yan ng buong puso, di ba? Kasi siyempre, ganun talaga. Kailangan natin ng mga dagdag na barko, maski luma yan o maski decommission yan. Pero at least nagagamit natin. Di ba? Yan ang importante doon sa lahat Di ba? Hanggat kaya pang magamit, at hanggat na working pa, doon tayo muna sa ngayon. Kasi wala ganun talaga ang buhay natin ngayon sa ngayon. Kung anong meron at kung pwede namang ibigay sa atin ng libre, tatanggapin na lang natin yan. Kasi sa pangangailangan din ng ating bansa, lalo na sa seguridad, talagang kailangan natin ng maraming assets na pwedeng pang naharap sa mga nambubuli sa atin. Di ba? Kahit nasabihin mong luma yan. Basta may capability yan why not? Di ba? Huwag niyong basta-bastahin yan. Di ba?
Pacific region. This decision was made due to the ship's age and the need to modernize the fleet with newer and more advanced ships. Shikishima, which has been in service for decades, has left an indelible mark as a pioneer in maintaining maritime security in the seas of Japan and beyond. Patrol ship Shikishima was launched in 1991 and has since served as one of the most
1991. So, parang mga na rin yan, di ba? 34 years na rin in the service ng Japan. Kung yan yun, hindi ko lang alam kung yan yung barko na yun. Pero kung titignan mo, maayos pa. Di ba? Konting maintenance na siguro. Japan naman yan Talagang alam mo namang kalidad ng gawa ng Japan at talagang iniingatan nila ng maayos yan at may well-maintained naman siguro yan, barko na yan. Kaya hindi tayo magkakaroon ng problema kung sa ating ibibigay ng Japan, di ba?
Important ships in guarding Japanese waters. With superior patrolling capabilities, Shikishima has played an active role in various operations, from law enforcement to search and rescue missions. Its contribution to maintaining stability and security at sea is very significant, making it legendary for the Japanese Navy. The Shikishima patrol ship can ensure the security of its waters with an impressive length of 150.0 meters and with a displacement of 7,175 tons.
Ilang meters?
Of its waters with an impressive length of 150.0 meters and with a displacement
150? O 15? 50? Nabibingi na tayo eh.
of 7,175 tons.
Pero 7,000 tons eh. Siguro mga 100, ano yan? 50. So malaki-laki yun. Diba? Mogami class nila, mga 140. Diba? Yung Mogami class sa frigate nila, 130 or so. If I'm not mistaken, diba? Kung 150 to, tapos 7,000 tons. Baka 150 nga talaga.
It is one of the largest patrol ships ever built. It is equipped with advanced surveillance and navigation systems that allow it to patrol a wide area of ocean effectively.
Teka lang mga idolo. Mayroong batalastas. Yun, nagbabalik tayo. Let's go.
It is specially designed to protect Japan's exclusive economic zone. With superior patrolling capabilities, Shikishima has played an active role in various operations, from law enforcement to search and rescue missions. Its contribution to maintaining stability and security at sea is very significant, making it legendary for the Japanese Navy. If the Japanese government agrees to hand over the Shikishima ship, this step will strengthen diplomatic relations between Japan and the Philippines. In addition, the donation will be a symbol of regional solidarity and cooperation in facing security challenges in the Southeast Asian region. It is important for countries in the region to support each other in overcoming maritime challenges, and the transfer of Shikishima to the Philippines can be a positive step in creating greater stability. With the continued modernization of their fleets, both Japan and the Philippines can continue to commit to ensuring maritime security and resilience in the region.
Parang merong Otto Milara sa harap eh, no? Kung titingnan mo eh. Diba? Kasi kailangan talaga din natin na merong armaments naman yung ating Philippine Coast o ating Coast Guard eh. Diba? Para naman, kasi yung China mayroon ganun. Para sa ibang bansa, may Coast Guard nila, may Otto Milara rin. Diba? O automatic gun. Diba? Japan din naman meron din ganun. Kaso, sana ibigay din sa atin yan. Yung bibigay sa atin yan, may Otto Milara. Hindi much better, di ba? May, kahit pa paano, may armaments ang ating Coast Guard. Yung ibibigay talaga sa atin ng Japan niya.
They inhabit. With the acquisition of the Shikishima, it can play a vital role in safeguarding maritime resources and deterring illegal activities, and even being tasked to escort nuclear material shipments, a testament to its capability and importance. For over 3 decades, it has remained the cornerstone of the Japan Coast Guard fleet. Like all legends, its time has come to an end by the end of 2024. On the implications of South China Sea for the Philippines, the retirement of the Shikishima and the continued presence of Chinese monster ships highlight the stark contrast in maritime strategy in the region for the Philippines. This deposition serves as a warning. As a country with over 36,000 kilometers of coastline and rich maritime resources, the Philippines cannot afford to remain idle in enhancing the modernization of the Philippine Navy and Coast Guard. The Chinese monster ships are large military vessels disguised as fishing vessels or Coast Guard vessels, or operating illegally near the Philippines. These vessels, some
Nga, may pantapat na tayo dun. Diba? Parang 140 meters ata yun. Kasi sabi nilang monster ship, if I'm not mistaken. No, correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Kung ibibigay sa atin, mapantapat na tayo sa kanila, di ba?
of which displace over 10,000 tons, are designed to intimidate and assert dominance in disputed waters,
10,000 tons.
particularly in the South China Sea. Recent reports have revealed that these vessels are not just fishing or performing Coast Guard duties. Instead, they are actively engaged in war zone operations, a strategy that blurs the lines between civilian and military activities. With this, the Philippines has made strides in modernizing its Navy and Coast Guard capabilities. Acquisitions such as the BRP Jose Rizal class vessels and the MRV multi-role response vessels are steps in the right direction. But more needs to be done to match the scale of the challenge posed by China's aggressive maritime activities. International cooperation. Japan's decision to retire the Shikishima is in line with its strategy of providing its allies with surplus equipment. Can the Philippines benefit from acquiring retired Japanese vessels? With the presence of the Shikishima, the Philippine Coast Guard is actively in strategy of providing
Tingnan natin. Yun nga, may Automilara no? Sa harap. Automilara ba yan? Parang, di ba? Meron eh.
Providing its allies with surplus equipment. Can the Philippines benefit from acquiring retired Japanese vessels? With the presence of the Shikishima, the Philippine Coast Guard is actively engaged in efforts to safeguard the country's maritime sovereignty and security, which has become increasingly important with rising tensions in the South China Sea and other security challenges. Receiving a vessel such as
So okay na okay yan. Tapos plus 5 na 97 meters na ipapagawa natin, di ba? Hindi ko lang sure kung ano na ba yan. Na-person na ba yan mga idolo? So comment down below na nag-person na ba yung ating 5 ship na orderin ulit na 97 meters sa Japan for our PCG. Hindi ko rin, wala pa akong balita guys eh. So kung meron na kayong balita, comment down below guys para may idea tayo lahat.
the Shikishima could provide a significant boost to its patrol capabilities and aid in maritime law enforcement. Such a move would not only enhance our maritime capabilities but also strengthen our relationship with Japan, a key ally in the region. By strengthening maritime law enforcement, the illegal operations of Chinese monster ships underscore the need for maritime law enforcement. The Philippine Coast Guard, with its ever-expanding fleet, must be equipped with sophisticated surveillance systems to effectively monitor and respond to incursions. Collaborating with regional partners such as Japan and the United States can provide the necessary training and resources. Historical perspective. Shikishima and Chinese monster ships are symbols of two very different maritime philosophies. On the one hand, Shikishima represents a rules-based order that prioritizes international cooperation and law enforcement. The patrol vessel Shikishima may have completed its mission, but its legacy will live on, especially if it can be given to the Philippine Coast Guard.
Correct.
In a broader context, this move could be the first step towards closer cooperation between countries that share Southeast Asia, facing common challenges in a more collaborative and mutually supportive manner.
Japan kasi may capability naman nila palitan kasi yun eh, kaya dinidecommission na nila eh. Siyempre matanda na rin. Eh tayo kasi wala pa tayong capability na ganun. Meron naman na, yun nga, na nakakabili tayo pero dahil nga kulang na kulang pa rin yun, eh tatanggap pa rin tayo ng mga decommission na barko, di ba? So kailangan din natin yan. So sana i-consider tayo ng Japan na bigay sa atin yung decommission na barko nila. Na isang monster ship din na barko nila. Di ba? Malaking tulong sa atin yun, lalo na kung may automilarang nga talaga yun, yung may automatic guns sa harap, di ba? So, at least kahit pa paano yung ating PCG, mayroon ng ganong capability. Hindi lang ating Philippine Navy. Di ba? So, yun, abang-abangan natin guys. So, nakaka-excite to. Sana talagang, consider tayo ng Japan talaga na ibigay sa atin yun. Di ba? Kasi close ally naman tayo. Allied naman tayo. So, malamang sa malamang, isa tayo sa mga top priorities nila. Kung talagang possible na ibibigay nila yan sa mga ka-allied na bansa din nila. So sana tayo yung nila. Tayo yung pinaka nasa top of the list nila na ibigay sa ating tong barkong to. So abang-abangan na lang natin to guys. kung magandang balita ba o hindi, bibigay ba nila o hindi, o didecommission na lang nila na talaga. So abang-abangan na lang natin guys yung susunod na kabanata regarding sa news na to mga idolo. So yun, sa maraming salamat kay PH Military Gear sa kanyang video mga idolo. Lalagay ko pa sa description na bilang full video na to, pati po kanyang YouTube channel mga idolo. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe po sa kanya. At syempre rin po guys, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe din po sa aking channel. Hit niyo po yung notification bell at yung like button. At huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-follow din po ako sa aking Facebook page. Sa in the future po sa aking TikTok account mga idolo. So maraming salamat po sa lahat. Ingat po tayong lagi. God bless us all. Bye-bye.